to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator, me back with another video. And I've been wanting to do this video for a while because it's been a year. And I would like to talk about it. So, about a year ago, I started using a hot body cream for my areas that I am uncomfortable with, mainly my stomach. And it was BaeBody Beauty Hot Cream, which is an anti-cellulite, pain relief, skin toning, slimming gel, massage cream, and deep muscle relaxation, and it's 100% all natural. And this cost me at least about $25. And I got this around Christmas time of last year. And I wanted to discuss my thoughts about it a year later. So what I've noticed is that when you rub it onto the area that you have, like, you know, if you don't want the cellulite to go at. So for the anti-cellulite solution, when you rub it on a particular area, excuse me, I gotta fix my bra. When you rub it on a particular area, it does tend to get hot very quick. It's not like a delayed reaction. It is an instant reaction. Like, once you open this up, dip your hand in there, and start rubbing, it's an instant hot reaction. You're going to feel that heat. You are going to feel that tingling sensation, and it's going to get very hot. Not like burning, like it's going to burn off your skin. Just almost as, it's almost like a thermal wrap that you're putting on either your belly or your arms. I mostly put it on my belly because that's where most of my cellulite is, but most of the belly fat is, you know, just to keep it, you know, from expanding any further. But, you know, I just gotta get on a weight loss program, not program, but a plan. That's what I need to do. But yeah, but this was just when I wanted to, if I wanted to like put my waist trainer on. I think my waist trainer is over there somewhere. I actually want to show you where it is. Hold on. Back with the waist trainer. I'm going to talk a little bit about this for a second. So compared to what I used to do before this hot cream, I would normally just put on my waist trainer, do my makeup, and then put on an outfit that has already been planned out, and just head out and do the event that I was doing. And you're going to have to excuse me because that heat, ooh. Yeah, so that was basically the plan for pretty much how I would plan out how to do my, how I would plan to just shape my body. I do have a shaper, corset-like shaper. Like, I have a body shaper. Let's just keep that simple. I have a body shaper, but I do not use that often because I've been so used to using the waist trainer that I got from Delani. I'd rather not use this particular product because it was not as uncomfortable as the waist trainer was. And I wasn't doing it to follow a trend. I always wanted to have a waist trainer for myself so I wouldn't have to step into the shaper and not wear a bra and underwear. Because once you put that shaper on, you can forget about bra and underwear. Like, that's your bra and underwear, period. And I always dealt with body shapers like when I went to prom, for junior and senior prom and stuff like that. I just would rather not continue that particular tradition. But now that I've used the hot cream for over a year, what I've been doing now is I am putting on the hot cream first, and it says for best results, clean and completely dry your skin before use. As the product is absorbing into the skin, wrap the area with a cover to increase efficiency and results. So what I did with that was I went to Rite Aid and I bought this clear plastic wrap. This plastic wrap was about $2, maybe $3. And I started doing this because the sauna wrap that I used to use, I actually did a review for that. You can actually check that out if that's still in there. I'm not sure if it is. It probably is. That review is probably still in there too. or just me talking about the waist trainer thing in general. But yeah, I bought this because I did see a few YouTubers who are not as well known as the YouTubers you see every day doing unboxings like these or doing beauty products like this. I saw them actually using cling wrap with this hot body cream to intensify and increase their results. So of course I wanted to do that too. So what I would do is I'm not going to stand up. So what I used to do is I would unwrap, take this whole thing out of the box, as you just saw. I just took the whole thing out of the box, right? And then I would unwrap it, and there was actually tape here, but I think I threw that in the trash. And I will unwrap it, and I will wrap it around my body after I put the hot cream on. And then when I got into a certain type of wrap that I would like, I would then either cut it or just use my hands to rip off the plastic. And that 9 times out of 10 don't work. So I would get like one of my unboxing scissors, like these two right here. I have Westcott and I have Fiskars scissors. This is the Westcotts for kids. This is the Fiskars. This is not for kids. This is just for adults and stuff like that. But yeah, I would use those scissors to cut it off, and then I would just end the wrap, and it'll just stick to my body completely. And that's what I've been doing, and I've been seeing, you know, not like immediate weight loss, but instant results after I do the wrapping and then putting on the waist trainer. I'm going to say the most difficult part when it came to doing the clear plastic wrap was doing that shit with nails, okay? That was not fun for me, and that will never be fun for me, okay? Doing any type of wrapping and waist training with like nails, like the ones from, let me see if I got it good. Oh yeah, especially these nails. Doing any type of wrapping with these nails, you might as well not have any type of fake nail or like any nail set on your hands, period, because this is still wrapped and it's still plastic and it can easily tear, and you're poking holes with it when it comes to it. So I wanted to do that procedure quite delicately, and I even had to pop off my own fake nails just to do this wrap. So the fact that I had to do that, I would obviously I should recommend that you don't do this while you have on a full set of nails. Try to do it with a short set. I have a short set from Rite Aid. I'm not gonna get that because that would be too much. But yeah, I have a short nail set from Rite Aid, and that worked pretty fine. But I rarely use those nails. I'm actually use those nails pretty soon. I'm trying to get this over to like, I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes. But yeah, that's what I've pretty much been doing. So I would use the hot body cream. As you can see, this is how much I have left. Then after I do that, rub it all over my body and my back, I would end up using the clear wrap, wrapping it around. Take one of these two scissors. Take one of these two scissors, cut it off, and then finish the wrap. Sometimes it will get a little bit like it will twirl a little bit, but that's gonna happen. That's common. And then I'll just put on my waist trainer, and I will do the event, and I will go. That's it. And after a year later, I did notice that my stretch marks did disappear, and I did notice that they were not as visible. They were getting a little bit thin, and they tended to dissipate. So that was actually the method that I used was pretty good. And the sauna wrap that I had before, that pink sauna wrap, I ended up throwing it in the trash because after one use, it was worn out and completely just destroyed. So I ended up using clear wrap, and it works pretty good for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Click the notification bell. We notify of all my videos. And hopefully you got some insight from all this. I wanted to do this video for a while, and it's been a year, so why not do it? And I will see you all next time.